Hello YouTube, this is John. In this video I'm going to quickly show you how to disable the hotkeys on your Lenovo laptops, and this would work on all other models. And this is a Lenovo IdeaPad. First of all, the issue is whenever I click any button or the function keys up, I have to hold the Fn, which is so annoying sometimes. You may just hold here, but I'm going to show you how to disable it. So I'm going to power on the laptop, and then I'll click F2 to go to the BIOS system. And during the BIOS system, as you can see here, it's entering the BIOS system. You're going to go, let me come a little bit closer. You're going to go to the system configuration, and then you go here to hotkeys. As you can see, hotkeys. Then this function is enabled. I want you to disable it so that you get to solve this issue. Then after, you go and quit. Then after quitting, you go and save, quit with saving changes. So after, I'm going to click F2 to go back to the BIOS system without holding the Fn key. And I'm going to also restart again. I'll click and go to the boot option on F12 without clicking the Fn hotkey. So thanks for watching. If this video is helpful, please subscribe to this channel and comment for more help if this is not working for you. And also you can check on my previous videos. And thanks for watching. Have a nice time. Goodbye.